Hey guys, so welcome to another day.
Yeah, I'll get the prices for those and I'll let y'all know. Lashes, that's optional
I am currently on my way home. You all will see the clip of what I just did, but we're on our way home, so let's be safe. I'll see you all when I'm finished. I mean, y'all know, you know. So y'all, I made it home and I am about to go inside. I will be coming back out, but I doubt if I record. If I do, you all will see. But as of right now, I'm home. I had a great day. As you all saw, all the things that we done. The meet and greet was perfect. It was a brunch. All that was just great, y'all. Y'all gonna see, catch our vibes. If this is the end of Vlogmas, another day of Vlogmas, guess what? I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.